Hello everyone, Philip Pravda here, founder and CEO of SUITCAFE.com, and I'm back to show you another great video on how to fold your trousers for your suitcase without wrinkles. Welcome back everybody. So I've gotten a lot of requests over the last 1 million views of my video on how to fold a suit jacket for your luggage, on how to fold your trousers, whether that's separate trousers or trousers that go to your suit. So I want to show you now just a very simple, easy way to do that. Of course, when you have regular trousers, they should have a crease on the front. If they don't have a crease, then you should be creasing them so they look nice and crisp when you wear them. Most importantly, and I'm using this plaid pair of trousers so you can really see what I'm doing here, is that you hold them like this, so the zipper is in front of you, and you have to fold the open part with the zipper open, and you fold the two front pieces that have the attachments. One side has the button, one side has the overlap. This one doesn't have a clip, this one just has button and buttonholes, but you may have one that has a clip. You take both of those sides, you let them fall in just a little bit, and you hold them together like this, and you lift up the back of the trouser on the back of the waistband. So basically what you're doing is you are folding the trousers along the crease line. You see how I'm holding it? This is the front, and then this is the back of the trouser right here, right along the crease line. So I'll do that again for you. You just fold it like this, right along the crease line, and then it's very easy just to let them drop and fold right in half. Now once they're in half, if your luggage is large enough, you can just fold it like this, perfectly flat. But you can also add another fold if you wanted to, as long as it's along the crease line and you folded that front zipper part sort of on the interior, where you have a piece like this and you have another piece like that. Those are folded against each other nice and flatly. And this goes for flat front trousers, which is this right here, or pleated trousers. You can do it both the same way. So here, I'll do it one more time just to show you. Here are the trousers, just like this, open. The zipper is open. You take the front, you fold it like that, hold them along the crease lines so they're nice and straight, and just let it fall naturally, sort of halfway, just like this. And if you need to fold it again, you can fold it again halfway. Don't roll them. Some videos on YouTube show rolling your trousers. That's not a good idea, because inside the trousers, in the lining, you have pocket lining on the inside. You have things that don't need to be rolled up. They should be laid nice and flatly, so when you take it out of your luggage, this is what you get. You get a nice pair of trousers that's still pressed on the crease line so you can wear it. So hope you like that fold. It's not that difficult. I'm sure you could all try it out and have good use of it. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you all in the next video.